Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, so in this video we are going to discuss about an introductory and concluding paragraphs. Okay, when we want to have an essay writing, we usually have three parts atau kita mempunyai 3 bagian ketika kita menulis esai ya. The first one is the part of introductory paragraph. Introductory paragraph consists of thesis statement and controlling idea. Then the second part is body paragraphs. Okay, and the last one is concluding paragraphs. Next one, we will go to the first one, thesis statement. Introductory paragraph terdiri dari thesis statement juga kan? So, what is thesis statement? Thesis statement is the strongest, clearest statement appearing at the end of the introductory paragraph containing controlling ideas that will be used in the topic sentences of the body paragraphs. Jadi, thesis statement itu adalah sebuah statement yang kuat dan jelas munculnya di akhir dari introductory paragraph tersebut. Okay. The purpose, next one ya. Nanti kita akan belajar mengenai thesis statement itu seperti apa. Tapi kita sekarang ke purpose of introductory paragraphs. Okay, the purpose is to introduce the topic and to state the purpose of the essay. Jadi kenapa sih kita bikin introductory paragraph? Jelas untuk memperkenalkan topik. Okay, ciri-ciri. There are some characteristics of introductory paragraphs. The first one, opened with general statement about the topic. Okay, jadi dimulai dengan pembukaan secara general. Next, gives the information or general informations about the topics. The third, narrows, berarti menyempit, from general informations to the thesis statement of opinion or intent. Jadi bentuknya dari yang general, luas, kemudian menyempit. Bentuknya introductory paragraph itu seperti ini. Jadi dari general ke more specific. Segitiga terbalik. Kenapa? Karena mengerucut ke bawah. Di bagian paling bawah itu ada thesis statement. Ingat ya, thesis statement tadi the clearest, yang paling jelas, atau statement yang menjelaskan ini tujuannya untuk apa sih menulis ini, begitu. Ini for examples. Saya punya satu contoh introductory paragraphs. Let's read together ya. Every schoolboy knows that vitamin D is the sunshine's vitamin, and that vitamin D is essential for good health. Until the 20th century, however, little was known about these important vitamins, and people who live in temperate climates tended to suffer every winter from the lack of vitamin D. Even today, although knowledge about vitamin D has been available for more than 50 years, many people still suffer from the vitamin D deficiencies. This essay will describe the chemical makeup of vitamin D, the group of diseases called ricket that afflicts people who are deficient in this vitamin, and solutions to avoid such deficiencies. Okay, can you see the red one? Merah kan? Okay, the red one itu adalah thesis statement dengan karakternya adalah this essay will describe. Oke, kita bisa juga melihat dari atas ya. Every schoolboy knows that vitamin D is the sunshine vitamin. Nah, dari bagian atas atau kalimat-kalimat di beginning of the paragraph, we can see it's from general. Jadi topiknya general. Oh, tentang vitamin D. Gitu kan. Kemudian, baris terakhir atau kalimat terakhir itu mengerucut permasalahannya ke bawah. Dengan ciri-ciri, this essay will describe. Jadi mengerucut ke bawah kan, will describe the chemical makeup of vitamin D. Jadi seperti konsep gambar tentang introductory paragraph. Oke, dari general ke spesifik. Generalnya mengenai vitamin D, kemudian spesifiknya adalah describe the chemical makeup of vitamin D. Chemicalnya apa saja, seperti itu ya. Jadi ini contoh untuk introductory paragraph. From general ke spesifik. Jadi harus ada thesis statement-nya di paling akhir. Okay, next one. Concluding paragraph. Concluding paragraph consists of summary of what has been discussed in the body paragraphs, and then suggestion of what one should do, predictions, and also solutions of the problems. Jadi terdiri dari 4 hal ini ya. Bentuknya sedikit sangat berbeda, terbalik dengan introductory paragraph. Kalau introductory paragraph from general to specific, if it is conclusion or concluding paragraph, dari spesifik dulu hasilnya apa gitu kan, and then go to more general. Oke, jadi terbalik, berbeda dengan introductory paragraph. Kalau conclusions, concluding paragraph, starting from specific, go to general statement. See the examples. This one. In fact, if you think about it, security is at the bottom of all these reasons. It's a secure feeling to know you have information at hand when you need it. There is a kind of security, even though it may be false, in knowing you make a good impressions. Finally, books that you have read and kept envelop you with a warm and cozy cloak of your life. Oke, ini contoh dari concluding paragraph. Finally, books that you have read kept enveloped you. Nah, itu general kan? Jadi dari atas hasilnya apa gitu. Kemudian di bawah kita simpulkan secara general. Dari spesifik ke general. Okay, I think that's all about today's videos, introductory and concluding paragraphs. I'll see you on the next video. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.